Have you ever wondered how long it takes for a paysafe MasterCard to arrive after you've ordered it? It's a question that many people ask, and in this video, we're going to dive deep into the delivery process and give you a clear answer. Imagine you're excited about using a paysafe MasterCard for online purchases. You've placed your order, and now you're eagerly awaiting its arrival. But how long do you have to wait? Is it a matter of days, weeks, or even months? Let's find out together. Factors affecting delivery time. Several factors can influence the delivery time of your paysafe MasterCard. These include delivery method. The choice of delivery method will directly impact how quickly your card reaches you. Some methods are faster than others. Location. Your geographic location can also play a role in delivery times. Cards may take longer to arrive in remote areas compared to urban centers. Processing time. There's often a processing time involved before the card is shipped out. This can vary depending on the issuer and the volume of orders. Delivery methods and their typical timeframes. Let's explore some common delivery methods and the approximate timeframes associated with each. Standard mail. This is often the most affordable option, but it can also be the slowest. Expect your card to arrive within 7 to 10 business days. Expedited shipping. For a faster delivery, you can choose expedited shipping. This typically reduces the delivery time to 3 to 5 business days. Overnight shipping. If you need your card as soon as possible, overnight shipping is the way to go. You can expect it to arrive the next business day. Tracking your order. Once you've placed your order, you should receive a confirmation email with a tracking number. This allows you to monitor the progress of your shipment and get an estimated delivery date. Tips for faster delivery. Here are a few tips to help ensure that your paysafe MasterCard arrives promptly. Double-check your shipping address. Make sure that the address you provide is accurate and complete to avoid delays. Choose a reliable delivery method. Opt for a faster delivery method if you need your card quickly. Track your order regularly. Use the tracking number provided to monitor the progress of your shipment. Common delivery issues and solutions. Sometimes, delivery issues can arise. Here are some common problems and how to address them. Lost or stolen card. If your card is lost or stolen, contact the issuer immediately to report the incident and request a replacement. Delayed delivery. If your card is delayed, check the tracking information to see if there are any issues. If the delay is significant, contact the issuer for assistance. The delivery time for a paysafe MasterCard can vary depending on several factors. By understanding the delivery methods, tracking your order, and being prepared for potential issues, you can ensure a smooth and timely delivery experience. If you have any further questions about paysafe MasterCard delivery or need assistance with your order, feel free to leave a comment below or contact the issuer directly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.